In many ways, sustainability can be a difficult concept to measure. Organizations want to be sustainable, and they can put their hands up and say we're sustainable, but unless there's measures to show what their commitment is, it's hard to make that claim. Probably the most effective way of measuring an organization's commitment to sustainability now are through external rating systems. Some of these are organizations like the Dow Jones Sustainability Index that measure organizations on various parameters, various sustainability parameters. Another major measurement tool is the GRI, or the Global Reporting Initiative. They have a standardized measuring system for looking at various types of sustainability measures, whether they be labor or economic or environmental, that are used to demonstrate how organizations are doing, how they've done with respect to reduction of impacts. And so taken all together, these different rating systems give some indication of how an organization is doing toward meeting its sustainability goals. Of course, another major method is just to look and see what organizations have committed to. Most large organizations now issue sustainability reports. They make public commitments to achieve sustainability targets that are particular impacts in the type of business they're in. For instance, I worked in the pharmaceutical industry. A big issue for organizations in pharmaceuticals is access to medicine in countries that generally don't have resources to have full access. An example was getting anti-AIDS drugs, anti-HIV drugs to populations in Africa, and how organizations have been successful in meeting that need. So those are just some of the examples of how organizations are measured for sustainability. But ultimately there's no standard way that's uniform other than through some of the external rating systems. Avetta is in a great position, I think, to promote devote sustainable practices in supply chains. One area that companies are being held to account is not only how they manage safety of the workforce, but also how they address the safety of their contractors. And Avetta's business model, by helping organizations review their contractors, help them to vet their contractors, goes a long way to helping companies meet their sustainability challenges and promote sustainability throughout their supply chains.